Our natural world is in crisis. Join the conversation today.
The larger a home is, right? The more difficult it is to achieve these results. Part of it's just science. You've got to keep more heat in a home to reduce energy, and the more space you have to heat, the harder it is. So you have sort of these goals of having this. People don't have a goal of ever having a large home. It's just utility. How can I get comfort? Can I get usefulness out of it? So is there a way to have a conversation where you have these big energy efficiency goals, but you also have this home that's using a lot of space in an area that maybe isn't as helpful? So working with designers to figure out, how do we get smaller spaces with more utility out of them? So those are other things that we're excited about in our conversations.
How easy or hard is that, when somebody isn't really thinking about square footage, and then you put that magnifying glass over the design and say, we could achieve your energy efficiency goal if we cut your house in,
And again,
it off.
Right. And part of it's, for us, we're not architects, we're not designers, we're not designing homes. So we kind of stay out of that, other than to just say, look, your house is going to use all this energy, and it makes your goals very difficult, other than caking on a bunch of extra solar panels, which are really expensive.
Right.
But, maybe, is there a strategic way we can figure out how to get more usefulness out of your home? And here are some folks you can work with. And I'll be honest, it is a difficult conversation, and it doesn't, most of the time it does not, they would tend to just throw more efficiency at it than shrink space down. But as budgets get tighter and, there's a recession, those conversations, I think people are more willing to have them. So
yeah, maybe they don't need the 1,000 square foot mudroom anymore,
Right.
Building the future, green building in the new millennium, brought to you by Sustainable Homes of the Future.